everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to batch convert multiple Excel files to PDF with Kutools for Excel. It's not troublesome to save one Excel file to a PDF file with the previous method, but what if converting multiple Excel files to PDF files, says to any workbooks, 100 workbooks, or more? This method will introduce Kutools for Excel's file format converter utility to batch convert multiple Excel files to PDF files easily. Click the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Workbook drop-down list and click Format Converter feature. In the popped-out Kutools for Excel dialog box, click the OK button. And in the File Format Converter dialog box, please do as follows. From the Convert Type drop-down list, select Excel Workbook to PDF option and click the Add button and select folders or files as you need, and then select workbooks in the opening select files dialog box and click the open button. Then click the browse button and then in the click on select folder, and in the select folder dialog box specify the destination folder you will save PDF files into. And next click the select folder. Uh, Please note that checking the delete source files after conversion option will remove original workbooks after converting to PDF files, and checking the keep the modified date of original files option will remain original workbooks last modified date and time as new PDF files last modified date and time. And at last click the OK button. As you can see, all the files are converted to PDF files. Let's check them. In the destination folder, as you can see, all of them are converted to PDF files. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.